guys, welcome back to my channel. It's NATIVEPIKIN. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking this, and I will kindly ask you to please hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell to get notified when I post videos. So today's video is going to be how I got these luscious, beautiful, big, bouncy curls on my very long 26 inches of hair. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Okay, so curling hair is not that hard. It's a tedious process, but it's pretty easy. What I do is I part my hair in two sections. Then it gets hot when you curl your hair, so I just get my two sections, pin this up like such, and then I just take a small section depending on the size of the curl. So this is a big enough size for the curl that I'm trying to achieve. So you comb the hair, and you gotta be very careful how you wrap the hair around, because the hair is 26 inches long. So when you're curling long hair, you kind of want to make sure it reaches all parts of this. So that is why I am laying it as flat as possible, so that the heat can distribute between all the strands of hair. So be careful not to burn yourself. Let me just look at my mirror because I can't look at the camera. Lay it as flat as possible. And make sure it's tight so that your curls come out nice and tight. So you can see I laid it like really flat. Just let it sit there. You can even touch it till it's like really hot. And then you just want to hold it so that the curl can set. I'm not going anywhere and I want it loose, so I'm going to brush it out. So you just have to let it sit, and then you get this beautiful bouncy curl right here. So then you can put hairspray if you want it to be tighter when you comb it out, but I want loose curls. That's why I don't mind if they drop a little bit, because I'm gonna comb it out anyway. So the hair that I have in my hair is 26 inches. It is a closure wig. I did not make myself. I'll leave the link to the stylist that created this unit, colored it, etc. Her brand is called NESSCLUSIVE. I have like 6 wigs from her. They are ready-to-made wigs, and I'll leave all the information down below for you to get. So I'm just gonna shut up and continue curling my hair and have you guys watch. So when I get to the top row, I like to just part a little bit more tiny so that I get more curls here and curl my hair more to the top. Even though it doesn't matter, I'm going to brush it out, but just to give it a little more definition in the front of my hair, because I want the ends to be very loose, so that's why I don't really care about the back and the front, just the ends of it. So fix my closure. All right, so I just finished this side. Oh no, this needs to be tighter. Let's scratch that. I forget what I said. Hold on. So now I am done with this side. This is how the curls look. Bouncy, full. Mind you, I'm gonna brush these out, so I'm not really too concerned, but like I just wanted them to have a nice curl. So when I brush them out, they're gonna be beautiful and supple. And now I just have to do this side, and I'm just gonna speed off doing this one because you already saw all this over here. Also, people have different how do I say this? When you're curling hair, people suggest different things about how to curl each side of your head so that it falls the same way or falls opposite. I like my curls in my hair to fall anyway, so I can either curl it under or over as long as it curls. The most important part to me is how I curl the front of my hair, so where the hair that's framing my face lies is what's more important to me. So don't be too picky about how you curl it. Only if you're going for like a specific look, then you could be picky, but I'm just going for a nice easy going beachy look, not beachy but body wave look, so I'm not really too picky. It's all gonna curl, so you don't have to go too crazy. Like it's like I just curled it 2 different ways and it looks almost the same. It's just the most important part of the front of your hair. I am done curling. This is the hair. It went from, what's this? It went from 26 inches down to past my hip to now a little bit below the, you know, chest area. This is my favorite part, is brushing out the curls. So I usually brush them from bottom to top like this, and they will just fall into place like this. And that's pretty much it. This is how I curl my long hair. It's pretty easy, pretty simple. I hope you guys took away some nice key tips on how to get big bouncy curls like this. If you do want them tighter, you can definitely go tighter and it could be more curly, but this is just how I like my curls to be. I'll step back. This is how they are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys find it helpful. I hope you guys like my hair. I'll leave the information about my hair and who styled it, who did it, who created the wig down below. Also leave information for this sweater as well if you do find this neat. See you guys in my next video.